Yeah, this is definitely not the bottom.
Okay, so we're just getting loaded up this morning to go get a four-wheeler. We're bringing Ben's Land Cruiser as backup. We probably won't need it, but it's always good to have backup. But as you can see there, we got our little four-wheeler recovery rig. This should be fun. It's the first one this year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it should be fun. So join us for the ride and enjoy the show. Okay, so we made it to Wallsburg. We went up to the end of the road, and I thought that there was a pull-off up here we could put the trailer, but right here anyways, it ends up at a bus turnaround. So we're gonna just unload these. We might shoot up the road for a minute in Ben's Land Cruiser, see if there's a spot up there to turn around. If not, we're gonna see what we can do here. So Ben's gonna shoot up the road while I clean up a bit. I'll give you a little view of what he sees.
We'll probably get it up there and turn it around and park it.
What was that?
What?
I missed that.
That wasn't for you.
Oh.
That was for lunchbox.
Okay.
Stop. You play. You tease.
I'll check it. So
Hey.
on the trail now, heading out to where the quad is. These are some pretty window cranks you got there.
Yeah, they were broken. I went to order some, and these aluminum billet ones were cheaper than factory ones.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
So
Cool though, they look good.
I had to pick a color, and obviously Tori picked red.
Well, the good thing is they completely don't match at all.
Yeah, not at all.
Not even a little bit.
Not even a tiny.
Yeah, so they really stand
They
out.
kind of match the rack.
The rag.
Yeah. Kind of.
So we've come to where there's a split in the road right here. We can go to the right or to the left. I have never been on this road before, so we're hoping we have enough service here to bring the pin up. Meet together, or
This is just a loop.
I was gonna say
It's a turnaround.
I was gonna say it might go back together on the other side of this, or it might go down to the road.
I mean, we're talking. It's a little.
It's a
loop.
tiny little.
It's a
loop.
It goes around that little hump. That's it.
Yeah.
And back.
Yeah, it comes together right there.
Yeah, right there. Second gear.
So the other nice
was the
thing
trick.
about Samurais and how light they are is that they do stay up on top easier. They don't dig down quite as bad. It's facing the wrong direction.
Yeah, we knew that.
Yeah, we'll drag it around.
So are we though.
It's snowing.
Should we get me turn around first?
Yep. Let me hop out. Looks like fun. Can you turn to the right? Yeah, there's some trees back there. up the hill just a little bit.
This tire's completely...
Yeah, it's buried.
I do like being able to open the doors all the way so I can actually get around in the snow.
We could take your front winch and hook it to that tree over there and drag the nose around.
Well, I was debating either dragging the nose or pulling me up, and then...
Yeah, either way.
Because if we drag the nose, it is going to make some ruts that we're going to have to pull that through.
I think it's going to make ruts no matter what.
Yeah.
Get with it. That's so hard to pull. Probably just power out the whole way up there.
Do you want me to hook the remote in, or?
Here. I can just do it right there.
Yeah, probably unclip this, huh?
You could try it without.
Then it's kind of pulling down on the rear. I'd rather pull up underneath.
I'm gonna lift the front up.
It's not hard to
No.
pop this in and out, so.
Winch out.
Oh! Why do you make the fat guy climb through the snow?
So I forgot to put my snow boots on at the truck before we came up here.
Oh, likely excuse.
I brought them. They're actually I have two sets.
The fat guy run through the snow.
Yeah.
Covered in snow. We haven't plumbed this all through because this is Ben's winch.
And we just
we're
have
probably
it on a
gonna
receiver mount.
Yeah, we're probably gonna end up putting this one on his Samurai. So until I get my own, then I'll plumb everything in nice. But for now, this works just fine.
Do you want me to climb up there and hit free spool?
No.
That power steering pump's not happy. That belt, not happy. Your right front, hold on, I think it's completely buried. Yeah, that's completely under.
Yeah, we might have to hook up
the front over to that tree. Yeah. This is definitely not the bottom. It's deep here. Have to pick up a synthetic line for that one too.
Look at that.
Yeah, a little difference in the line pull.
That's just a little bit easier.
The Badland winches are a pretty decent bang for your buck deal. That line pull is a two-person line pull, and that's just a 5500. That's pretty bad.
Yeah. This is a metal cable still.
Yeah.
It'll chew right through a tree. Should put my hood on. Oh my goodness!
Yeah, it is. Hold it. You're on your cable.
How about that?
Okay. You're good. That's good. I just hit winch out. Okay, it's winched out. Or free spools if you want to back up, just in case you need to pull forward again.
Oh.
So it's free spool now, so you can back up. Spool. I don't know if I'll even be able to pull this by myself. Free spool.
Is it on free spool?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh man.
Let me help.
Just power out. Oh, that's ridiculous. Go ahead and lock it and just power out the whole way. That's just stupid. That is way too much. line pull for a free spool, especially on a tiny little winch. Nah. Well, yeah, I probably should. It doesn't want to fit over the strong spot there, so if I'm going to go to the control arms, it'd be nice to go to both sides. This
super loop
probably work. Super loop. Super loop. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. That way we can go around both control arms. The front to that tree off to the right, get the nose back on. Yeah. Hold on. Just kind of bump it and see if it'll bump and let off, see if it'll kind of pack it. I've got a shovel in the back if we need it, but that seems to be working. Just don't let it spin. Yeah, like that. Okay, it's coming up. Turn more driver. There you go. Okay, looks like you're pretty much climbing up. So, yeah.
Let's grab the jump box, see if we can get that thing started.
Do we have a key?
In the Duramax. Remember I said it's in the cup holder of the Duramax?
Yep.
I told you because I was afraid I was gonna forget.
Yeah, I remember. Yep. Okay, well, I guess we won't start it and try and turn it around. Pinch it all the way down there close.
I will.
Oh, you're just re-spooling it?
I'm just gonna put this in. It'll still pull it close, but then we can just go straight up with it.
Yeah. Because the front might. That doesn't look too bad.
Actually, it does, yeah. That's not very
Keep
much
going.
spot.
I'd go up another maybe 6 inches. Okay, let's try that.
All right, let's put a strap.
It's snowing pretty good. See how this does. Dragging a quad on tracks.
Oh, it's just too low. It's dragging these.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's good. We can turn it to the right and roll it down now.
locked side to side, huh?
Yeah, but that's okay. If it tracks straight, it should be fine. That's good. Well, yeah, start pulling and I'll look and see how it's doing, and it should. Looks good. See that? That's a good day. So would you say that this would technically qualify as already being the world's smallest off-road record? You know who I'm talking to.
Technically,
I think it qualifies. And it works pretty darn well.